Welcome to HTS. My name is Lil Sotelo. For all you out there, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And for those of you who are just fresh to my channel, I teach a lot of how to potentially make money online. Now, the reason I say potentially is because there's a lot of opportunity, but if we're not posting our links out there, we're not getting the education we need, and then we're kind of going to be stuck. That's why I say potentially. But the internet's a big world, so you could sit the comfort of your couch and get on the internet. So before I move on to this lesson I'm going to be showing you here in a minute, I just finished writing my book. You could get it in the link below. You could download it to your iPad, as you see. Any your what's that called here? This laptop, your desktop, and or on your phone. There it is, right there. It's now the book is $7, and let me explain why it's $7. Because for one, it took me a long time to gather this information and put it all in one spot. And I want you to read what it says here. Bruce Lee once said, "Instead of buying your children all the things you never had, you should teach them all the things you were never taught. Materials wear out, but knowledge stays." And that's what I got to say about this book. I mean, there's so many things you could buy for $7, but this book is going to be in the link below. And since you're here, you probably went down and checked out the link. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. If not, no worries, but you will miss out if you don't. And I'm going to be posting a lot of cool content here. Besides that, every now and then I give a lot away free gifts, a lot of free books, there's a lot of free stuff on this channel. So if you go through my other some of my other videos, you're going to see a lot of free stuff there as well. And I don't want to take up too much of your time here, so I'm going to get to this lesson. Stay till the end, and I will be leaving a what's that called here? I will be leaving a card at the end of this. It's going to be over here somewhere, in case you want to know more about me and who I am and how I started doing all this. And if I did it, doing it, so can you. So don't worry about that. This book right here will teach you a lot. This book, it's pretty solid. So let's move forward to the lesson here. So I wanted to talk about Google sites real quick. I'm not really going to go deep into this, and I'm going to open this up all the way, so I'm going to get rid of my image below. So I want to use my book too here as an example to promote. I went here to Google sites. Now Google sites, I mean, you could do so much with this. Now they say, I'm not 100% sure, but if you use, keywords like how to make, a lot of keywords like that, make money online, whatever, Google will rank it more. I'm not really sure on that, but with, this being Google's product, they could do whatever they want with it. So, and all you do, you got your layouts. Like me, I have my layouts right here. I put a image of my book, and I just made this real quick for this example. Now, the cool thing is, so I'm going to show you about, okay, you would grab this link right here. Now this link right here is, let me show you what that page looks like when it's fully done. So let me get out of that, click here. There's the finished product right here. So when I promote this page on a group or something like that, I'm going to show you that in a second, so stick around. It's pretty simple. It's all free too. So if you're this pandemic has the whole money thing, I know family comes first and stuff like that. This is a free method right here, so check it out. This is my page where I'm sending people to get my book. So, but I'm going to want to go up here to these advertise your business for free 24/7. I want to hit these communities because look at how many people's right there, 71. And all you do is go to the search bar, advertise your business here. This one has 42,000. This one has 109,000. And look, there's more down here. And there's make money online. There's so many of these. So I'm going to show you a few real quick. So this one right here. Let me show you what I have done that has got my whatever you're trying to promote, whether it's your affiliate product, or you're using YouTube to kind of promote your videos to get more, to get your videos more noticed, this will work good for you. So let me minimize this real quick because I need to grab this example copy I wrote over here, and then I'm going to open this back up. I want to click that right here, and I'm just doing this for an example. So I will upload an image of my book, 3D cover, and then I will make sure the link I got from here, which was this one, which brought me this one, I'm going to use that link right there. I'm going to avoid this one because I wanted to show Google in it. So, and then I'm going to put that down here, and then I'm going to make sure everything looks good. And this comes with 50 bonuses, by the way. These 50 bonuses, I added them in there for their high authority websites with high traffic volume. So they're all in there, and I'm not an affiliate to any of them. I just wanted to put them to help whoever who has had the same problem that I had when I first started, which was traffic. So, and then you would hit post. Now, in my prior video that I kind of made before this one, I kind of did a little mess up. Plus, I'm outside, and a plane went by. It was kind of loud. So I'm not going to post this one. But I want to show you another spot. And you could go through a bunch of these. Now, this one right here, advertise your business worldwide. This one's a little different because they want to see, right here, you got to fill out this form that you're selling something. And let's say what you're selling is, of course, your book or product. It's always good to put your affiliate links inside put your affiliate links inside your Google sites. Right from the bottom to profits. Okay, yeah, and then it's $7. Conditions new. Then I'm going to come back over here for this example, and I'm going to use the same copy right here. And then I'm going to come back over here, open that back up so you guys get the full view. Put that right there. Then, of course, I want to click on this link right here. That is the Google site. Click it right there and go back here. Paste it down there. And then they could check it out. This is where it gets kind of more powerful because you could put in like new books. New books. Books. Entrepreneurship. Marketing. Marketing. Online business. As you can see, the list could grow. As many as you could put in there, the more people will see your book. So, or your product, whatever you're promoting, whether it be in entrepreneurship, health, wealth, whatever it may be, weight loss. You could do this in a lot of things. Beauty, online business. Let's see. Let's do one more. Digital marketing. That's just for this example. And then you're going to want to come over here. This is the cool spot. This is a cool spot on the computer, but this is the cool thing. Sorry about that. Got tongue tied. So some of these will allow your post to go through. Some will not. So if they don't, no hard feelings. So I want to pick. I'm not going to pick the marketplace. I'm going to pick make money online. I'm in Salt Lake City, so Salt Lake Classifieds. Advertise your business 24/7. I want to pick a lot of these groups because they have a lot of people in them. That's a lot of traffic going to your offer that you're promoting. Excuse me on that. Sorry. Had a phone call. and promote your business here for free, advertise your business for free, and you could pick, I think, 15 of these. Now make sure they're related to your niche, whatever. Utah classifieds, and then we're going to post these. And now it's in there. This listing is in review. So then they come over here, they simply click that. It takes them to your page. They click that, it takes them to your offer. So I'll be making another video on Google Sites. There are plenty of other videos on it. I want to do my own thing on there to kind of make it look a lot nicer, but I don't want to take up too much of your time either. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel, and please consider subscribing if you like what you've seen. Hit the like button as well. It helps this channel grow. And like I said, check out some of my other videos around here. I do got a lot of free stuff there. And I'm just here to help you guys out during your journey, and make it happen. Create your own YouTube channel. It's pretty cool. I have a video around here for that too. So thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. Bye.